In this video, we'll do a quick installation of a carbon fiber GM original part on the new Camaro ZL1 1LE. This is a 2019 Camaro ZL1 1LE with a A10 transmission. You can see more videos on this if you subscribe with the notifications on. We're going to start doing actually a series of videos on this car, so stay tuned. But this is a really quick video. So this door came off of the old car. You can see a video of that in the card above. But this is basically a one tool 5-minute job or less. There is a tab here that locks into the fuel door arm and it just slides right in. There's a little bit of a release, so do not force anything. Try not to scratch any parts. Have a Ziploc bag handy so you can put the door that came off back in and it won't get scratched. The only tool you need is a thin flathead screwdriver. So let's get right to it. So first, just press down to pop the door open. That should be pretty easy. You can see right here there's a little tab. I'm going to put this down so we don't scratch it. So just take the flathead screwdriver and you just want to pry up, not very much, just like 1/8 of an inch, and then you just want to pull out gently. You don't want to force anything here. There, so it just came right out, and now we're going to put that in a safe place. We have our GM carbon fiber door. So you just want to make sure that these two rails are lined up with the rails on this side of the door, and then this tab will lock in right here. And like I said, don't force anything. There you go, it snaps right in place, and then you just want to kind of give it a gentle tug to make sure it's locked in place. There you go.